Good afternoon, my dear kids. Welcome to our moral online class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, my dear children. Okay, had your lunch? Yes? Or you feel sleepy, my dear children? No? You all are waiting for this class, right? Okay, very good, my dear children. Do you watch our last class video? Yes? Do you like that story? Yes, my dear children. Then tell me the title we learned in our last class. Yes, very good. Sia loves Aloe. Right, my dear children? From that story we learned the moral value, resourcefulness and kindness. Right? Okay, very good. I hope you all are following the moral values we learned. Right? Are you following? Yes, I know you all are good kids, so you all are following, right, my dear children? Okay, today also we gonna learn one new moral value. Okay, let's start. So, my dear good children, today we gonna learn about ninth lesson. Lesson number 9. Its title is The Lion and the Wasp. The Lion and the Wasp. Yes, my dear children, today we gonna see the story about the lion and the wasp. From this story, we gonna learn new moral value. Okay, listen carefully. In a jungle, there lived a wasp. Wasp means bee. Okay, my dear children, wasp. He loved to sing. His friend, the Myna also loved to sing. They would often sing for the other animals in the jungle. Their friends, the squirrel and the deer, enjoyed listening to them. Do you understand, my dear children? In a jungle, Wasp and Myna loved to sing. They would often sing for other animals. Their friends, squirrel and deer, enjoyed listening to them. Okay? One morning, just as they had started singing, a loud roar shook the forest. One day, they started to sing again. At the time, one loud roar shook the forest. It's a lion. It's the lion, cried the deer, and she ran off. The squirrel too ran and hid himself. The lion roared again. Yes, my dear children, when Wasp and Myna started to sing, at that time, lion came there and started roaring. At that time, their friend deer and squirrel ran away. Lion again started roaring. Okay? My dear kids, are you listening? Yes? Do you like the story? Yes? Okay, listen carefully, okay, my dear children? Yes, very good. Now, the lion came there and make noise loudly, right? That means lion roared, right? Yes. So, Wasp said, let's sing again. Before start to sing, the lion roared again. Yes, before start to sing, lion make noise again. Now Wasp said, I am going to request him to stop roaring. What the Wasp said? Yes, Wasp is going to request him to stop roaring. But Myna advised, watch out. He is proud of himself and very strong. What Myna said? Myna said that lion is proud of himself and he is very strong. So, just watch out. Like Myna advised. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Now the wasp went to meet lion. My dear children, have you seen the wasp here? Yes, there is one small wasp, right? Yes, that wasp went to meet Lion and said, "O king of the jungle, I request you to please stop roaring so loudly. Perhaps you did not know that the myna and I were singing." What the wasp requested to Lion? Yes, he requested to please stop roaring so loudly. Why? Why he requested like that? Because when myna and wasp singing time, if the lion roared like this means nobody can hear that they are singing, right? Yes, but the lion roared and said, "Why should I be bothered with these little creatures like you? Do you not know who I am?" Yes, that lion told, "Do you know who I am?" Then the wasp replied, "I know, O king, but the jungle belongs to all of us." Wasp said, "The jungle belongs to all of us." The wasp started to talk with lion and said, "The jungle belongs to all of us. Just as you like to roar, the myna and I like to sing, and our friend the hyena likes to laugh. The owl likes to hoot. The elephant likes to trumpet. Maybe we could take turns." Now wasp asked to lion, "Shall we could take turns to do whatever we like?" Wasp requested to lion. But the lion said, "This is my kingdom. I shall roar whenever I want to." The lion snarled and walked away. What happened now, my dear children? The wasp requested lion to be, maybe we could have take a turn. But the lion replied, "This is my kingdom. I shall roar whenever I want to." So angrily the lion replied and walked away. Soon the squirrel and the deer came out of their hiding places. Yes, my dear kids, now the squirrel and deer came out from their hiding places. Deer said, "This is not fair." Squirrel asked, "What can we do?" Now wasp replied, "We should teach the lion a lesson. The jungle is not for bullies." Squirrel asked, "How?" "We can hardly fight a lion." Then wasp replied, "We can give him a taste of his own medicine," said the wasp. "I have a plan. I will start when it is dark." Yes, my dear kids, now the wasp, squirrel, deer and myna are planning to teach a lesson to lion. So listen carefully how they are teaching the lesson to lion. Okay, my dear children, listen carefully. Now the wasp get ready to teach a lesson to lion. It was a night. The lion was asleep. The wasp started buzzing in his ear. He was singing his song. The lion woke up with a start. What happened now? Yes, it was a sleeping time for lion. The lion was asleep, but the wasp started buzzing in his ear. Yes, my dear children, morning when he started to sing, at that time lion roared, right? Because of that reason, when myna and this wasp singing can't hear by anyone, right? So now this wasp started buzzing in his ear. He was singing his song. So the lion's sleeping time was disturbed by wasp. The lion woke up with a start. Now the lion woke up, right? Woke up and said to wasp, "How dare you disturb my sleep?" The lion roared again. He tried to get the wasp out of his ear, but his large paw hit his own face instead. The wasp continued buzzing and singing. The lion swayed his head this way and that way, but the wasp would not go away. He even rolled on the ground and ran around the trees, but the wasp stayed right next to his ear. What happened now, my dear children? The lion woke up and angrily asked to wasp, "How dare you disturb my sleep?" And lion tried to catch the wasp by using his leg. But his large paw hit his own face instead. Again and again the wasp buzzing and singing near to his ear. Then that night was sleepless night to lion. The lion rolled on the ground and ran around the trees. But the wasp stayed right next to his ear. Yes, the whole night the wasp stayed to his ear and buzzing and singing. Okay? Now it was morning. By morning the lion was tired. His face was red and swollen. Then he said to wasp, "Oh wasp, do stop. I have learned my lesson." Wasp asked, "Will you let all the creatures sing and talk in peace?" Lion replied, "Yes, we will all take turns. The jungle is ours to share." Yes, my dear children, now the lion realized his mistake and learned a lesson that jungle belongs to all of us to share. So the myna overjoyed and said, "Oh king, now you are being just and wise. I am sure you too will enjoy our songs." Now the squirrel, the wasp, the lion, the myna and all the other creatures lived happily together in their jungle. And togetherly they said, "This is our jungle." Yes, my dear children, do you understand? Hope you understood well, right? Yes, my dear children, this wasp learned teach a lesson to lion. Lion learned that this jungle belongs to all of us, right? Yes. So, my dear good children, the moral value for our today's lesson is, okay, before learn our moral value, shall I ask you one question? Yes? Do you like this story? Yes, my dear children? Then tell me, what's the lesson title we learned today? Yes, the lion and the wasp. Yes, very good, my dear children. So today we gonna learn 3 moral value from this lesson. Okay, the first moral value is courage. Yes, courage. Courage means be brave. Okay, my dear children. What is meant by courage? Ability to control fear in a situation that may be dangerous. Yes, my dear children, we should control our fear in dangerous situation. Okay, that means facing the problem by overcoming our fear. In our lesson, all the animals have fear to face lion, but they should make themselves to control fear and they face the problem. Right, my dear children? Yes. Then the second moral value is cleverness. Cleverness means the quality of being clever. That means facing the situation by thinking, by using our intelligence. Okay, my dear children? We should think before react. Okay? Yes. So the third moral value is peace. Peace is the most important moral value, my dear children. That means a situation or a period of thing in which there is no war or violence. Okay? Yes, without war or violence, we should face the problem. Okay, my dear children, in our lesson, the wasp, the deer, squirrel and myna face the problem without fighting to lion. They have planned to teach a lesson to lion, right? They think cleverly and they react, my dear children, right? Yes. So same like that, we should be brave, be cleverness, and we should be peace and react. We should think before react anything. Okay, my dear children? I hope you understood well. Yes? Then you should follow this moral and value in your daily life. Right, my dear children? Yes. Very good. Thank you for listening this class, my dear children. I hope you all enjoyed it and you liked this story. Right, my dear children? Yes. Okay, my dear children, don't forget to follow this moral value in your life. Okay? Okay, see you in next class. Bye-bye. Have a great day, my dear children.